How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, today we are going to learn mathematics. Okay, children, today we are going to learn mathematics, chapter 6, exercise 6.7. We learned exercise 6.7 that A and B, isn't it, children? And the C1 is problems, word sums. So, I am taking in the separate YouTube class and we are going to see session 22. So, children, till 21, all of them should have be thorough. Understood, children? All should be thorough and you should have written in the maths classwork note. Okay, children? We'll go into the sum. Okay. See. Solve. Because I couldn't write the questions on the board. I'm writing like this. Okay, children, don't feel bad that why Miss has written in the notebook. Okay, children. So, in 20 minutes, I couldn't write everything. So, I am doing like this. Okay. Robert mowed 1/4 of his lawn on Monday and 1/4 of it on Tuesday. What fraction of the lawn did he mow on these 2 days? Okay, children, understood the question? Robert mowed 1/4 of his lawn on Monday. Understood? And 1/4 of it on Tuesday. Monday 1/4 and Tuesday 1/4. So, all together in 2 days, how much he has mowed? Okay, children. Mow means what, children? Cutting the grass with a machine. Cutting the grass with the machine. Okay, children. So, he cleaned the grass. He cut the grass 1/4 on Monday and 1/4 on Tuesday. So, see here. Monday, how much he cut down the grass? 1/4 and Tuesday 1/4. So, all together in 2 days, how much he has cleaned, he has cut down the grass, you have to find out. So, on these 2 days, how much? 1/4 plus 1/4. So, total what will come, children? 1 plus 1 means what will come? 2/4. This 2/4 can be cancelled into the lowest fraction. So, when we divide into these two should go in two same tables, isn't it? So, when we divide, what answer have we got? 1/2. 1/2. This is the answer. If you cannot do like this, you can do like this also. What? 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. If you can do like this also, you can do like this also. Understood, children? Don't get confused. You can do directly like this. Otherwise, you can write like this. Okay, children. Now, 1/4 means in Tamil, what we will say? Kal. Kal kilo. Like that we will say, no? 1/4, 1/4. So, kal kilo and kal kilo, both if we add means what we get? Half kg. That is only 1/2. Understood, children? When we add these two, we get half. So, half of the lawn he has cleaned. On Monday, 1/4 and Tuesday 1/4 and totally how much he has cleaned? Half of the places he has cleaned. Understood, children? Okay. We'll move on to the second one. Raju bought 1/4 kg of sugar. What, children? Raju bought 1/4 kg of sugar and 3/4 kg of rice from the market. What was the total weight of both? So, 1/4 means in Tamil 1/4 kilo. 1/4 kilo will say. Okay, children? 1/4 kilo, but that is sugar he bought. And 3/4 means what? In Tamil, mukkal. Understood, children? 3/4 means mukkal kilo, like that. So, 1/4 kilo, that's sugar, and 3/4 of rice. Okay, children? So, total weight of both we have to find out. So, how can we find out? See, here, sugar 1/4 kg and rice 3/4 kg. So, what's the total weight, children? Total weight is equal to 1/4 plus 3/4. These both we have to add. We have to add. Okay. So, how we can add, children? First you have to multiply this one and you have to add. First we have to multiply and then we have to add. So, what will come? 1 into 4 plus 1/4. Addition sign plus 3/4. So, 1/4 is how much, children? 4. So, 4 plus 1/4 plus 3/4. So 4 plus 1 how much? 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So when we add these two, 5 plus 3 how much children? 5 plus 3, 8. 8 by 4. This can be divided in the same tables, isn't it? We have to bring down into lowest fraction. So when we divide in same table 4, otherwise what we can do? 2 4s are 8, 1 4 is 1 4. Okay children, like this also you can do. Otherwise we can do like this also. Don't get confused. Okay, for your understanding only I have written like this. If you know, you can directly do like this. So what will come? 4 2s are 8 and 4 divided by 4 means 1 will come. So you don't take this one. So total how much will come? 2 kg. So what's the answer? 2 kg. You leave down this one. Okay children. So how many kg? 2 kg. So I'll explain it in Tamil. See, 1.5 kilo plus 3/4 kilo. So when we add this both, we get 2 kg. Understood children? 1.5 kilo and 3/4 kilo we add means what we get? 2 kg. Understood children? Are you thorough children? Okay. Okay children, now we'll go to the third sum. Third sum, Tina had a ribbon 2 by 5 meter long. Maya had a ribbon 3 by 5 meter long. Understood children? Tina had a ribbon 2 by 5 meter long. Maya had a ribbon 3 by 5 meter long. If both the ribbons are joined, what would be the total length? See, total means itself you have to add children. Total. See, can you see in the second sum also? See, second sum also here total. Understood? And see here 2 days. These 2 days. So what this and all? Addition sign. Addition. You have to add. Understood children? You have to read the question so that it will be very easy. So this both length you have to add. How many long is there? You have to add. So what's the answer? Tina had a ribbon. So Tina had a ribbon. How much children? 2 by 5 meter long. 2 by 5 meter long. And then Maya had a ribbon 3 by 5 meter long. Maya had a ribbon 3 by 5 meter long. So total length how much children? You have to add 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5. So when we add 2 plus 3 by 5, what answer will get? 5 by 5. So 5 by 5 means what will come answer? 1 meter long. So you can divide. Say 1 5 is 5, 1 5 is 5. Understood children? 5 by 5 means what? You have learnt in the same fraction. Same numerator and same denominator comes means 1 is a whole. Isn't it children? So 1 is the answer. So total length how much? 1 meter long. So total length how much children? 1 meter long. Is this the easy sum? Isn't it children? So 1 meter long. Okay. We'll move on to the fourth sum. Okay. Rama bought 3 by 4 kg rice. Rama bought 3 by 4 kg rice. She cooked 1 by 4 kg. How much was left over? See here, left is there. Left means what children? Subtract. Left means what? Subtraction. Okay children? Left means subtraction. So, Rama bought 3 by 4 kg rice. 3 by 4 means what I said children in Tamil? Mukkal. Understood? Mukkal kilo. Okay children? She cooked from the 3 by 4. How much rice she cooked? 1 by 4 kg. 1 by 4 means in Tamil? Kal kilo. Okay children? So, what you have to do? You have to subtract. So, from 3 by 4 if you minus means what is the remainder you have to find. So, leftover what? 3 by 4 minus. Don't forget to put this subtraction sign children. Minus 1 by 4. So, 3 minus 1 by 4. 3 minus 1 by 4. What's the answer? 2 by 4. I have said again. See, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Directly also you can put, otherwise you can write like this. Okay children, if you write like this, and what is the remainder? 1 by 2, 2 by 4 divided by same table. Many of them in homework I have said, some of them 2 by 4 if they will write, and they will write 2 here, sometimes 3. Like that some of them has written. No, same table solely it should be written. Understood, children? So 2 by 2. So what's that? So in 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 means what's the answer? Half kg remaining. Half kg is leftover. Leftover rice is half kg. Half, otherwise 1 by 2 kg. Okay, children? We'll move on to the next sum. Maya has two 1 by 5 meter ribbon. She cut a piece 3 by 5 meter long. See how much she had? She had two 1 by 5 meter ribbon. In that meter, she cut, how much she has cut? 3 by meter long she has cut the ribbon. So, how much ribbon was left? Left means what, children? Subtract. Left means what? Subtract. So, Maya has two 1 by 5 meter ribbon and she cut how much, children? 3 by 5 meter long. So, leftover how much? 2 1 by 5 minus 3 by 5. So, what you have to do like this? You have to multiply and then you have to add. You have to multiply and then you have to add. So, 2 into 5 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 into 5 plus 3 by 5. The denominator you should not change. Isn't it, children? So, 2 5s are how much? 10. 10 plus 1 by 5 minus 5 plus 3. 1 5 is 5 plus 3 by 5. So, what's the answer? 11 by 5 minus 8 by 5. So, 11 minus 8 means how much, children? 11 minus 8, remainder is 3 by 5. So, 3 by 5. So, what's the answer? How much leftover ribbon, how much meter long is there? 3 by 5 meter long. From 2 1 by 5, how much meter long is, how much is remaining? 3 by 5. How much is remaining, children? 3 by 5. Okay, children. See, this sum only little big sum. If you do again and again means it will be very easy for you. If you do again and again, it will be very easy for you. Okay, children. Okay, we'll move on to the sixth sum. See, in book, don't look at the, in book, what you have to do. I have selected some sums and I have given. Don't think, I misleft this sum, like that. No need to think. Okay, children. What I have given in this words sums, that sum is enough. If you want, you can do it in your rough note and you can practice. Okay, children. In book, they have given more sums. So, I have selected and given only 6 sums and 1 homework I have given. Okay, children. Okay. Rohan is 1 by 5 meter tall. Rohan is 1 by 5 meter tall, while Jojo is 2 by 5 meter shorter than Rohan. See, 1 by 5 meter tall, Jojo is 2 by 5 meter shorter than Rohan. What is Jojo's height? So, we have to find out Jojo's height. Okay, children, we'll see here. Okay. See, Rohan's height. Rohan's height how much, children? 1 by 5 meter. So, Jojo is shorter than Rohan. Jojo is shorter than Rohan how much meter? 2 by 5 meter. So, what you have to do, children? We have to minus. We have to subtract. So, Jojo's height we have to find out. So, Jojo's height is 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5. So, what we have to do? We can write? No. So, what you have to do? We have to multiply. 1 5 is 5 and we have to add. 1 5 is 1 into 5 plus 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5 you have to bring down. So, 1 5 is how much, children? 5 and plus 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Children, keep in mind that always we should not multiply or add the denominators. We have to write as it is. In addition also it's okay, in subtraction also. We should not subtract or add. If you write plus also 5 plus 5, 10, you should not put. You have to write the same denominator. Understood, children? Keep in mind. Don't forget. Mistakenly, you should not do this mistake. Then sum will be wrong. Okay. So, 5 plus 1, how much, children? 6. So, 6 by 5 minus 2 by 5. 6 by 5 minus 2 by 5. So 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 by 5. 6 minus 2 means how much, children? 4. 6 minus 2, 4. So 4 by 5. So Jojo's height is how much, children? 4 by 5. Jojo's height is 4 by 5. Under 4 by 5 meter. 4 by 5 meter. See, when you do this one, you can find out, see, 6 by 5 is there, isn't it, children? 6 by 5 is there. In 6 by 5, in 6 if you minus 2 means what will come? 4 only. Understood? So 2 meter, yes, shorter than Rohan. Shorter than Rohan. So answer is 4 by 5. Okay, children? Are you thorough, children? See, I have given only one sum homework. Only one sum homework. Children, you have to do. You have to do. See, I will read the question. You can do. Otherwise, you can. If you have any doubt, you can ask me also. Okay, children? A blue ribbon is 2 by 8 meter long. The same like ribbon in the third sum, I think. The third sum we did, isn't it? Here, fifth sum we did, isn't it? Like this only, the ribbon sum only is coming. Okay? A blue ribbon is 2 by 8 meter long. A red ribbon is 1 by 8 meter longer than the red ribbon. We saw that one shorter. She cut how much we have saw. This one we are going to see what meter longer than the red ribbon. So what is the length of the red ribbon? So what is the length of the red ribbon? So what you have to do, children? What you have to do? You have to add. You have to add. Okay, children? See, blue ribbon is 2 by 8 and the red ribbon is 1 by 8 meter longer than the blue ribbon. Wait, one minute, wait, ma. Sorry, children, I wrote here red ribbon. Unknowingly I wrote, so I have corrected now. So, a red ribbon is 1 by 8 meter longer than the blue ribbon. So, longer than the blue ribbon means what you have to do? You have to add. So, length, what is the length of the red ribbon? So, what you have to do? You have to add. But in that sum, we have subtracted because she cut the ribbon. So, we see in this sum, see, she cut. So, what we have to do? We have subtracted. But here, it's more than longer is than the blue ribbon. So, we have to add. Will you do, children? I think all will complete. See, if you send the homework means I feel very happy. Okay, children? You do this sum. If you have any doubt, you can ask me or you can send me in WhatsApp. Children, see, this is the homework sum. In book, I will tell you. See, the fifth sum. The fifth sum is homework. Okay, children? The fifth sum is homework. I gave only, see, how many sums are there? Here, 10 sums are there. See, till 10 sums are there, but I have given only 7 sums. So, remaining 3 sum, what you can do? You can practice at home. In the rough note, you can practice. Understood, children? Because the same sums are repeating. So, I have given only selected sum I have taught. Understood? It's in page number 107. It's in page number 107. Okay, children? We'll meet in the next class. Write neatly so that it will looks very neat and underline. Always I am telling, after writing one sum, you underline with a pencil so that it will be neat. Okay, children? We will see in the next class. Bye. Thank you.